Hey friends, we're here to do Mini Madness. Do you see what is on top right off the bat? We have a $17 IOU and I am super happy I put this on the front of the binder because this time I was able to keep this in mind when planning how much I wanted to put into here. So we're going to put 67 in here, which is going to take care of our IOU and then still give us $50 to work with. Hopefully we don't have a humongous IOU once again, but I guess you never know, right? We will see. Okay, so this money is all prop money. This is coming just from a buffer in my bank account. So we are gonna just add this right over to the high yield savings over in Ally. I don't like to keep a large buffer because it just gets spent on nonsense. So every once in a while, I like to just let it build up a little bit and then do a video. I may be able to scrounge up a little bit more money to do, I want to do either a little stuffing of the Skelly Savings Challenge book or potentially just a regular little bonus Savings Challenge stuffing with my regular challenges. I haven't decided yet. I do need to see if I can, scrounge up a little bit of money from my buffer from that. But if so, that will be coming soon. And then once again, after that video, I'm all out, you guys. So just like last time when I didn't have a lot of videos, yeah, I don't think I'm going to have any more money coming in, until my next paycheck, which is June next week. So June 13th is my next pay. So June 13th is when you'll see my next cash stuffing and things like that. But all of that is just to say the videos might be sparse here and there once again. And again, I appreciate you for sticking around and kind of bearing with me when the videos are not every other day as planned. Okay, so $17 IOU right off the bat. We have to pay that, which means we actually have $50 to work with. So I'm going to put $50 on the calculator. This is my Would You Rather Taco Edition. It's available in my Etsy shop. I do have a Christmas edition, a food edition, a Daredevil edition, a travel edition, and then this taco one. I think that might be it. So I do have, other versions of this if you're interested, but I am upping the spice level on this because I wanted to save more. So I made up some rules for myself. The way that you play this is you have two choices, okay? So you essentially just choose whichever one you would prefer. Let me show you one that's not scratched. Okay, so whichever one you prefer, you're going to scratch that and you save the amount and then you'll be done with it. But for me, because I wanted to save more, I made up some rules. So for my first scratch, I'm going to triple the number if it's between 1 and 5. And if the number is between 6 and 9, I'm going to double it. And then I'm not going to stop there for the second scratch. So even though I'm choosing what I would prefer, that's my first scratch. For the second scratch on the page, I'm going to roll a die and multiply the two numbers. And I'm going to roll a die that has 1 through 3 on it so that the numbers don't get too crazy out of hand. But it still ends up being pretty spicy around here. So stay tuned. Let's see. We are currently on churros or tres leches cake. And I am going churro all the way. I don't know that I've ever really had a tres leches cake that I liked. I'm butchering that pronunciation. But churros are for sure a go-to for me. So we have a 7 here. And so again, if it's 1 to 5, we triple it. And if it's 6 through 9, we double it. So we're going to save $14 here. 7 plus 7 is 14. And then on this scratch, it is a 4. So once again, I'm going to pull out my die and we're going to multiply. So let's hope for a low number. A 2. Okay, so we're going to subtract $8 and we have $28 left to work with. So next we have cheese or no cheese. And okay, I'm sorry, but if you choose no cheese, what is wrong with you? Cheese makes everything better, pretty much. So I am definitely going cheese. Ooh, yes, $1. We love that. So it's under 5. I am going to triple it, so that's $3. And then for the second scratch, we have a 4 again. And so let's roll the die and let's multiply that. Ugh, it's a 3. Okay, so I'm going to subtract $12. We're down to 13. So this is probably going to be our last page. By the way, something I don't think I have ever mentioned this about these little binders. I don't put these in any type of order. So if you have gotten this taco one before, maybe you're working on it now, maybe you have it and you haven't started it yet, just know these pages are in random order. It is too tough for me to, memorize the order of every single one of these cards and put them in the same order every time. So these pages, for you, this might be your first page, okay? So just know that, they're in a random order each time. Okay, margarita or Corona? Okay, so I am not a traditional margarita person. I don't love lime flavor. Corona I will do every once in a while. I actually will put a lemon in it because I love lemon. I will do a lime if lemon's not available. But again, I don't love the lime flavor. However, I do love a flavored margarita. So a strawberry or watermelon or something like that. So for that reason, I'm still going margarita with the assumption that it's a flavored one and not just the regular. And ouch, it's an 8. And so you already know what's happening, right? We have to double it because it's between 6 and 9, which means we owe 16. We only have 13, which means we have already a $3 IOU, and we didn't even scratch the second one. So, please be a low number. I have a feeling it's not going to be. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, yes, it's a 2. Whew. Okay, super happy about that. All right, so let's roll the dice here. I'm hoping for a 1. Ooh, it's all the way over here. I don't know. I think it was in frame, but it did land on a 1. Yes. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5. That means we only have a $5 IOU, and yes, I am super happy about that. Let me clean this up really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's write down the IOU. $5. I will take it over 17 any day of the week. $5. And let's see how many pages we've done and how many we have left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. If I could separate these, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 pages left, which means we've finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're on the back half of this already. I wanted to do this one because it's a little bit quicker than doing a whole book. And I'm super happy to be about halfway through it. So once I finish this, whatever I save is going to go probably towards that Skelly Savings Challenge book to help me try to finish it. So we're going to put the $5 IOU again on the front here so that I can remember that whatever I want to stuff in here, I should try to add 5 extra to take care of this. This goes to the side, and let's pull out the binder and see how much we've saved in here so far. It's going to add up to a lot. It's a small little savings challenge binder, but the savings are definitely adding up, especially with the extra spicy method that I'm doing. So in total, we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 5, 56, 57. $157 already, and that's probably only like the 3rd time I've done that. Yes, love that. Okay, Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this quickie little video. If you have any ideas for what I should do for my next mini madness challenge once I finish this, let me know. Do you want me to do another would you rather? Should I do something else? Give me your ideas in the comments below. But either way, I am so grateful that you're here. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!